Hey, Jim Hart here. Today it's a Sunday afternoon. I thought I'd come into the office and do a couple videos, and so I apologize for the casual attire. But today I want to talk to you about something that's really important. I want to talk to you about something we call the spend down myth, and this is something where you may have heard of this. When I bring this up at seminars and talking to clients, a lot of them say that's exactly what they told me. And this is if you have a loved one who's in a nursing facility, or you're thinking about putting them into a nursing facility, and you're wondering, well, how am I going to pay for their care? And the nursing facility, and they're well-intentioned. I'm not going to say anything bad about them. These people have a lot of work to do. They're processing a lot of applications. It is not a malicious thing by any stretch. It's just sometimes they're uninformed. They'll tell you basically you need to spend all your money. And once you spend all your money, they will help you to qualify for benefits through Medicaid typically. And this is, even though these people are very well intentioned, this is very bad advice. And the reason this is bad advice is because you don't need to spend all your money. You can actually, there's a lot of strategies that you can use to convert funds from what are called countable funds to exempt funds. There's things you can do to put money into potentially asset protection trusts. You can employ a gifting strategy, believe it or not, and actually save yourself money when you're talking about protecting somebody's estate. So there's a lot of things that can be done to preserve assets for a loved one, and this might be done. It doesn't necessarily have to be done because people are trying to save money for themselves, so they get more of an inheritance. That sounds very selfish, but that is one of the reasons why people talk to me about this. But the other big reasons are that, let's say you're trying to make sure that your spouse has enough money to live on if you're going to the nursing facility. Or let's say, maybe you want to preserve money for charitable reasons, or perhaps you want to leave a legacy in some other way. So there's a lot of reasons why somebody might want to engage in these type of asset protection strategies to prevent a loved one from having all this money go to their nursing home care. And they're not all selfish, and you shouldn't look at it that way. So basically, if you have a loved one who is either in a nursing facility now and you're nervous about how they're going to continue to pay for that care, or you think they might be going into a nursing facility, it's really important that you sit down with an attorney and talk to them about potential strategies to preserve assets. Because at the end of the day, if you don't talk to an attorney about how to preserve these assets, you're just going to end up spending all their money, and then they're going to be applying for public benefits anyway, Medicaid benefits anyway. And so by going to an attorney early on, we can really cut off a lot of those expenses and really protect a significant number of assets, more than you would actually believe if you just talk to somebody ahead of time. So once again, my name is Jim Hart with the Hart Law Firm in Cary, and we help your family to protect everything that you spent a lifetime to build. Have a great day. Talk again on the next video.